Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to be doing this gown. This is a ring. And the gown is in two forms: the bra and the skirt side, and this is a short one. This is the short one with fringe. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you all how to do this gown. This is size 6. I'm going to be doing size 8. That's a medium size. This is small, so I'm going to be doing a medium size 8, and I'll be using this red heart yarn. You can use yay yarn, like I would always say, original yay yarn, and you double your strands because this yarn is actually thick. So I used one of this and a little bit from another ball. I used one of this, and it is let me check the weight. This is 198 gram of yarn. So I used one of these, and I'm going to be using pin 3.5 mm, boy 3.5 mm. Okay, yeah, 3.5 mm. You'd also be needing your scissors and your tape, your measurement tape. Okay, and I'm going to start from the bra side. I'm going to start by making the bras first, then I'll crochet from here and join it. Okay, so let's start from the bra. We're starting from this part of the bra. This bra is small, is a 6, so I'm going to be doing medium and 8. Okay, so to start, you use your yarn and your hook, make a knob. Take your yarn through your knob, and that is it. Then you do your chains. I'm going to be doing 15 chains. Okay, I'm going to be doing 20 chains rather. Sixteen, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is 20 chains, and now I'm going to take my yarn and skip 1, 2, 3. On the fourth one, I'm doing my first double crochet. So I'll be working double crochet all the way down. Okay, so I'm at the end right now, and I'm going to just do 3 chains and turn. You see how I turned it? And I'm going to start doing double crochet from the second double crochet. I'm doing second double crochet from the second double crochet because my 3 chain is already on this first double crochet. So that is our first double crochet. So now this is the second double crochet. So that's it. So I'm going to work on these. This is the second row. I'm going to do a few rows of this. Hey guys, so I have gotten to the length I want, which is 4 inches. So I'm using 4 inches. So you have to knit up to 4 inches for a medium size of bra. And when you get your 4 inches, instead of you at the end right now, normally I would say do 3 chains and turn if you're still going, but what I'm going to do right now is just a double crochet on this other double crochet. Okay, I'm going to put 2 at the end. That's 2. I've put 1 already. Then I go to the next step, which is here. okay, yeah, onto my double crochet, and I'm going to the next place, one double crochet, and I'm putting another one there, okay, and I'm going to the next place and the next place and the next place, so this is how it looks right now. It's coughing already, and when you get to this end, all you have to do is do 3 chains, 2, 3, okay, and you turn, and then you go to the next one and do double crochet. So now we are doing, basically right now we're doing double crochet here. When you get to this place, you do 3 chains and you turn again and you turn again, just like that. You're not putting 2 in any one, it's just 1 1 1 until the end. One, hello, so this is how far we've gone. We've done 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 from where we stopped. So that 7 would be like 4 inches too, yeah, 3 point something inches. Yeah, so there's something I noticed that I want to clarify, you guys. If you've not started, if you've started you can lose. If you've not started, now this is a correction. I realized that from year to year and from year to year is different sizes. That means this one is like 3 inches, 4 inches if I'm not mistaken, and this one is like 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches and 4 inches. So I would advise that before you start doing this place, you should make sure that it is square and not rectangular. Rectangular, that means 2 sides are equal, 2 other sides are equal, but square, you make it all the 4 sides equal, okay? So that's just what I want to correct here. And I am done with this bra, and I'm just going to do the hand, which is me adding an extra strand. So I'm just gonna add an extra strand and make the hand, which is the rope, and I'll do the other side of the bra right now off camera, and I'll proceed. Yeah, so this is it, and we are done with the 2 sides of the bra. So now we're going to be using this string, what's it called, ring, this ring, to create this part. Okay, so first I'm going to crochet around the ring, so I cover it up. This is a little bit too big. I don't have time to be checking the size, but you can use a smaller size for more fitting. Where I got this one from, I didn't see smaller size, so I'm going to just use this one because that's what I saw. All right, so I'm going to put in my yarn this way and make single crochet round it. All single crochets. So when you get to the end, you just do single crochet and you can cut your yarn. And now we have to join this and this. So we'll use 2 rows to crochet into this place. Start from wherever, put in your yarn, make your single crochet. So we are joining with single crochet. We are joining this part and this part together. Single crochet. You take from here and you take from here. Okay, you crochet together. So that's it for this side. So we're going to do the same thing on this other side. So this is how it looks now, and this is what we are trying to do. Okay, so now we're going to start this. We're going to start this part. So to start this part, we're going to turn this upside down. You make sure this side faces you and this one is upside down, and at the, let me say, middle, not really middle, you understand, but see the symmetry of where I'm going to start. See where you find feet. You put in your yarn and you do this 7. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then you put in double crochet in the same place. All right, and do not complete it. Double crochet, but do not complete it. So with this, don't complete your double crochet. That's half double crochet, but don't complete it. Then you do 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th one, you're going to do this. Now you have 3 knobs and you take out all the 3 together. Then you do 1, 2, 3 chains. After 3 chains, count, put it back in the same place. After 3 chains, put it back in that same place you did double crochet, but this time take your double crochet and do not complete it. Leave it like that, and then skip 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 4. On the 5th one, you're doing double crochet, and this time you can take everything together. After this, do 3 chains and put it in the same place where you did your double crochet. the same place. Don't complete it. And 1 2 3 4 on the 5th one again. So this is it. And then in this place we'll do 3 chains and put it in the same place. Okay, and complete it this time because it's the last one. Now whatever you did here is going to be the same with this side, so you do your calculations and make sure these places are the same, these 2 edges are the same. Now when you get to the end after doing your last double crochet, the next thing is for you to do 7 chains. Remember, you're doing 7 chains before you turn on all your turns. 1 2 7 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So after doing your 7 chains, you turn your work and you're putting it in this same place where you started. So you're increasing. The aim is for this thing to increase, so we put it there, but we are not completing it. Okay, and then you skip on this place, you put double crochet, and then you see that, take 2 and take the remaining 3, then do 3 chains, put it in that same place, but do not complete it. Go to the next, do your double crochet, take 2 and take the remaining 3, and that is just what we are going to do. The aim is for us to have tiny triangles, all those tiny triangles. This is the aim, for us to have tiny triangles. Okay, so now we're going to do 1 2 3, put it in this same place and take 2, don't take it completely, go to the next place, take 2 and then take everything together, and then do 3 chains, put it in this same place where you did your last double crochet. Okay, take 2, it's remaining 2, do not complete it, then skip 1 2 3 on the 4th one, do your double crochet, take 2, then take the remaining 3, and now what's left for us to do? Now we have to do our 3 chains and then put it in that same place, because if we leave it this way, the triangle will not pop. This place is not curvy enough. This one is, the angle is arched very well, so this place needs to be like this place. So we are going to put our last double crochet in that same place where we did double crochet, and now the angle is popping. Now see the angle popping, and now we're going to do 3 chains, 7 chains, sorry, and we turn our work. And we go back here. After 7 chains, you're putting it there. Do not complete it, take 2, remain 2, then skip, go to the next place, take 2, then take everything together, then do 3 chains, put it in the same place, take 2, leave the rest, skip, take 2 and take 3, and that is it. So this is how we're going to do this. So we're going to make sure that it is big enough for us to join the front and the back. That's to join it. Okay, in this particular one I made a little bit of mistake. I did not join early. I was supposed to join early, so it made this skirt to be a low waist at the back, which is not a problem, but I'm going to correct that with this one. Okay, we can even use this as, see, this is looking like a top, a gown like this, isn't it? So cute. I'm going to do it for a gown like this. Okay guys, so the mistake I made with the other one, like I said, is making this place too long before joining the waist. So now I'm just going to join the waist from here. Okay, so to join the waist, guys, you measure your waist or your client's waist. Mine is 28, 29. I hope it's not up to 29 right now. Yeah, so mine is 28 and we have 9 here. So I'm going to crochet a long chain to complete this waist size to be 20. I'll use 27 because it stretches. So you do a long chain. So our chain is like 28, 29 inches. See. So now I'm just going to join this chain like this, just a straight up joining single crochet, and I'm going to do 7 chains, okay, and I'm going to put it in this same place, I would not complete it just like what I'm doing, continue my style without completing this crochet stitch. I'm going to go to the next place and do double crochet, take 2, and it's remaining 3, do everything together. So we are still doing the same thing we were doing, 3 chains, put it in the same place like we were doing. Don't completely take the stitches and go to the next, take out 2 and bring out a 3 chains, put it in the same place, do a double crochet stitch that is not complete, and go to the next, just like that. I would go around and I also work on this chain, and when I get to the chain, I'll show you right now. Okay, so this is the end of this row, and I need to go around. That means I need to crochet on these chains. Okay, so now to crochet on these chains, this is my last complete crochet before my 3 chains, and I'm going to put it in the same place, if you guys can see, in the same place, and incomplete stitch, and I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember this place we're skipping 4, so I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th one, I'm going to do my complete stitch, take 2 and take 3, and chain 3, put it in that same place where you crochet, that same place, do an incomplete stitch, incomplete double crochet stitch, then skip 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th one, you're doing a double crochet stitch, take 2 and take out the remaining 3, and this is how we're going to work on these chains. 1, 2, 3, in that same place, incomplete stitch, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. Just like that, we're going to do this round, okay, until we get to this place where we started. Okay, so I'm right at this place where I started. Okay, so I've done my incomplete stitch and I'm supposed to count 1, 2, 3, 4 and pull and take out and complete it, and that is what I just did. Yeah, and now I'm just going to join it. For you to join on this place where you did 7, you just have to 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th one, you just do a single crochet. Okay, 3 chains, and sorry, did I say 3 chains? 7 chains, and continue. Now you have a choice to go back and forth. That means you turn your work and start crocheting, okay, but I don't want to do that. So now I'm just going to be working on this round until I start increasing. Remember that this is the waist, and the waist is 28 and my hip is 41, so I need to increase from 28 to 41, and I have to do that after like 7 rows or after like 5 rows. You understand? So you have to increase after the waist. After you've gotten your waist, you have to start increasing. Let me see on the 5th row, and I'm going to show you how to increase. Hopefully I'll be able to make video when I want to start increasing, but for now let me continue. Okay guys, so this is how far I've gone, and I have already started increasing. You can see from here that this place is small, and going further this place is big. So I'm going to show you all how I increase, okay, and how I'm going to decrease. So to increase, you just have to put, after your 3 chains, okay, you put double crochet, complete it, do another 3 chains and put in the same place. Put it in the same place, and then you not complete it after putting it there. So we have 3 chains double crochet in this place, then 3 chains double crochet, but incomplete double crochet. Remember, what we are doing is incomplete double crochet, go to the next, then complete it. This is what we are doing. Then 3 chains double crochet without completing it, go to the next, 3 chains, go to the next, do your complete double crochet, take 2, take 3, okay. And after that, let me say you've been crocheting like this, okay. Let me say you've been doing this for all this time, and you think it's time for you to start increasing. So this is what you do when you want to start increasing. Just do 3 chains double crochet, another 3 chains, then put in double crochet in that same place where you did the other double crochet. Put in double crochet there, but this time you're not completing it. Double crochet, take 2, then do double crochet stitch, take 2 again, and then you complete everything. You see, so this way you have 1, 2, 3 stitches in the same place. Apart from that, it's only 2 stitches that in the same place. In all these other ones, 2 stitches, 2 stitches, 2 in the same place, 2 in the same place. But when you're increasing, you have 1, 2, 3 in the same place. And quickly, if you want to reduce, let's say, because as it is now, right, it's big. So if this is a long gown, for example, if I have crochet and I want the end to be tiny, like I want it to be coffee, sorry, I want it to be coffee, so I would need to reduce the leg to, that means I want the down to be small, right? This is what I'll do. This is what I'll do. 3 chains, go to the next, take, don't complete, go to the next, take, don't complete still, then go to the next and take and complete everything. This time you're taking 4 together instead of 3. So we've reduced here. You see that we've reduced here. So we take 1, 2, 3 stitches, and they all have 1 knob. They all have 1 knob here. So this way we have reduced. Then you do 3 chains, you put it in that same place, and you just continue crocheting this pattern, okay. So instead of having 2 to 1 knob here, you have 3 to 1 knob. So that's how you reduce if you want to reduce in this pattern. That's how you reduce. And to increase, you will not increase every place, everywhere. You increase strategically. Let's say in one row you increase 2 times or 1 time, then in another row you increase 1 time, just like that. And when you want to reduce to, you reduce simultaneously, like small, right? In one row you reduce 2 times or 1 time, and then in the other row is you reduce 2, just like that. And I would not tell you to reduce or increase after 5 rows or 6 rows. It's you that would know when you want to reduce. For me, I started increasing on my I started reducing on my 7th row. After doing 7, I started increasing. Okay, and I've increased all this while, and I think it's almost time for me to reduce. So you, as a crocheter, you're supposed to know when to start increasing and when to start reducing, because if I give you the length, it might not be the same with your work. So I'm just going to continue crocheting till I get to the end, because this is it for this gown. This is it for this gown. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for watching. This is it for this gown. I've put the rope here already. I'm going to put rope here, and our gown is set. So this is our gown right now, and I'm going to just make it longer, and I am done with this project. Thank you guys very much. Thank you for watching. See you in another of our video. We love you. Bye.